Are you ready to change the letters? Let's do H into B. And we'll do some rhymes too. Get ready to have fun. Okay, friends, when you are writing the letter H, you can actually keep going and turn it into a B. So you trace the letter, you get ready to make an H, but then you curve it around and make a B. So come down, back up, around B. Down, up, around B. So keep tracing and turn those H's into B's, okay? Then we're going to write a sentence. Notice this sentence starts with a capital. So capital H. Here is nice spacing with your sentence. An H for, staying between those lines, a honeybee. Honey, bumping those lowercase letters. B. My page is a little bumpy because I have it folded back. When you are writing in your handwriting journal, make sure your book is flat. I just have to do this for the video. Don't forget your stop sign. Down at the bottom here, you're going to copy the HB rhymes. So they're just changing that first letter from an H to a B. And you're making a new rhyme. So the word was hat, change it to a B, and the word is bat. Rhyming words. So copy each of those words neatly, and then go ahead and read those rhymes to someone. So you'll go across hat, bat, hop, bop, he, bee, right? Okay? Have fun.